Hello students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College, Khairabad, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain you 5 Euclid's postulates. Okay, I have in the previous video I explained you about Euclid and Euclid geometry. But today I am in this video I will explain you Euclid's 5 postulates and other few topics related to chapter to this chapter, which will help you to understand the questions. Okay, so five Euclid's given 5 postulates. What are the postulate? First postulate is postulate 1 is a straight line may be drawn from one point to another point. Okay, a straight line may be drawn from one point to another point. You can see this. If there is a this is the point, and here it is another point, here it is another point, this is the point. You can draw a straight line from these 2 points in this way. Okay, this is it was said by Euclid. Okay, Euclid said a straight line may be drawn from one point to another point. Okay, and given any two distinct points there is a unique line that passes through them. In other words, you can say given any two distinct point there is a unique line between by passing through these 2 points there will be unique line. No other line can pass through these 2 points. Okay, from by these 2 points only one line can pass. Okay, now postulate 2, a terminated line can be produced infinitely. Okay, terminated line can be produced infinitely. There is a this is the suppose this is terminated line. Terminated means whose length is fixed. Okay, this is the line. Okay, you can produce this in both the directions. Okay, you can extend this line in both the direction. This is the meaning of this postulate. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Okay, now third postulate is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A circle can be drawn with any center. Suppose this is the center and this is the radius. You can draw circle by this. Okay, suppose this is the center and this is the radius, and you can draw a circle by this. Okay, this is the meaning of this postulate. And fourth postulate is all right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are equal to one another. You know, measurement of right angle is 90 degree. So all right angle, if this is the right angle and this is right angle, this is has 90 degree, this is right angle, so it will also have 90 degree. Suppose this is the right angle. Okay, this is also will be 90 degree. So these right angles have the equal measurement. So this is the meaning of this postulate. All right angles are equal to one another. So this is also 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. These will be equal in measurement. Okay, now fifth and last postulate is if a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines if produced infinitely meet on that side on the which the angle will be less than two right angles. I hope you could not understand this meaning. Let me explain. Suppose these are lines, these are two lines, and this is the intersecting line. Okay, this is the intersecting line. Two lines are AB and CD, and this is EF is the intersecting line. Meaning of this line is this, that if a straight line falling on to a straight line, these are two straight line, and a straight line this is falling on two straight lines. Okay, makes the interior angle on the same side. This is the 1 and 2 is the interior angle, and these are also interior angles 3 and 4. Okay, these are also interior angles on the same side if taken together less than two right angles. If you are taking one side's interior angle, suppose you are taking 1 and 2, and these are less than 180, two right angles means 180. These two angles are to here in the postulate it is saying it is taken together less than two right angles. One right angle is 90 degree and two right angle means 2 into 90 180. So 180, the sum of these two angles, if it is 180 less than 180, so that side lines will meet. Okay, here as you are seeing in this picture, and sum of these two angles will be less than 180, so in this side these lines will आगे जाकर ये लाइंस आपकी मिलेंगी. ओके, आगे जाकर. एंड हियर एज यू आर सीइंग in this side, in sum of interior angle is greater than 180, so this side lines will not meet. Okay, if sum is less than 180, on that, if that side, if this side you are seeing sum of these angles is less than 180, so this side these lines will meet. Okay, so this is saying in this postulate. Okay, in the previous video I explained you about axioms, but see again, the basic fact which are taken for granted without proof are called axioms. Okay, basic fact which are taken for granted, बेसिक फैक्ट जो जैसे दिए होते हैं वैसे ही यूज़ कर लिए जाते हैं बिना किसी प्रूफ के, उनको एक्सियम्स कहते हैं. एंड what are the theorem you have to prove that in that segment, you have to prove that thing. Okay, in axiom the basic fact which are taken for granted without proof are called axioms. axioms में जो आपको given है वो without proof आपको accept करना है. जैसे things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. If A equal to B and B equal to C, A equal to B and B equal to C, so here it will be A equal to C, because A is equal to B and B is equal to C, so A equal to C. Okay, if equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. A equal to B, A equal to B, if you are adding here this side C and that side C, so sum will be equal. Suppose 2 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 2. Okay, if you are adding here 5 and here also 5, so sum will be also equal. 2 plus 5 7 and 2 plus 5 7, so wholes will be equal. If equal are subtracted from equal, the remainders are equal. A equal to B is given, you are subtracting C from these two, so remainders will be equal. See, if 10 equal to 10, 10 equal to 10. Okay, if you are subtracting same thing, like minus 4, you are subtracting 4 this side and also subtracting from this side. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 10 minus 4 is 6, so 6 equal to 6. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Things which coincide means wholes, as you are, अगर आप दो एक ही कंपनी के एक ही मॉडल के दो फैंस लाते हैं तो वो कोइंसाइड करेंगे. ओके, मान लीजिए आपने पेंसिल बॉक्स ख़रीदा, उसमें सारी पेंसिल्स आपकी एक जैसी होती हैं तो वो कोइंसाइड करती हैं. ओके, द होल इज़ ग्रेटर देन द पार्ट, पूरा जो है उसके थोड़े से टुकड़े से ज़्यादा होगा. मान लीजिए आपने एक सेब लिया और उसका एक पीस अलग किया तो पूरा सेब उस पीस से ज़्यादा होगा. इसका मतलब यही है. ओके, अब ज़्यादा बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज़, now see the statement in the previous video I explained you, but see again. A sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. Okay, a sentence, एक sentence जो या तो true हो सकता है या false हो सकता है लेकिन दोनों नहीं हो सकता, statement कहते हैं. जैसे sun rises in the east, it is a true statement sentence, so it is a statement. Okay, it is sentence but it is true also. Okay, to be a statement, it is compulsory that sentence should be true or false. Okay, to be a statement, a sentence should be true or false. किसी भी sentence के statement होने के लिए compulsory है कि वो या तो true हो या false हो. So sun rises in the east, it is a true sentence, you all know, so it is a statement. Okay, 2 plus 2 equal to 5, this is a false sentence, this is a false because 2 plus 2 is 4, not equal to 5, so this is false sentence, so it is a statement. Okay, Karthik is tall, this sentence may be true or false. Karthik tall है, ये sentence true भी हो सकता, false भी हो सकता, because Karthik may be tall for certain persons and may not be taller for others. ये सेंटेंस ट्रू भी हो सकता, फॉल्स भी हो सकता, क्योंकि कार्तिक सब किसी से लंबा हो सकता है और किसी से छोटा भी हो सकता है, तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि वो टॉलर ही है, क्योंकि सबसे तो वो बड़ा होगा नहीं, तो किसी से छोटा भी हो सकता है। तो ना तो इसमें ट्रू डिफाइन हो रहा, ना फॉल्स, सो दिस सेंटेंस इज नॉट a statement. Okay, what is theorem? स्टेटमेंट दैट रिक्वायर्स अ प्रूफ इज कॉल्ड अ थ्योरम. स्टेटमेंट जिसको प्रूफ की ज़रूरत होती है उसे थ्योरम कहते हैं. जैसे सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 180 डिग्री, दिस रिक्वायर्स अ प्रूफ. सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 360 डिग्री, दिस रिक्वायर्स अ प्रूफ. सो दीज आर थ्योरम्स. ओके, now our next topic is point, line and plane. Point, you all know that if you are pointing a dot by the using pen and pencil, this is the point. Line, you have very little difference between line and line segment. Line has no length, and you can represent line in this way. You have to draw arrows in the both directions, but line segment have a fixed length and you will not draw any arrow on its corner. Okay, this is the line segment and this is line. Okay, you should know that this is line segment and this is line. Line has no fixed length and line segment has fixed length. Okay, what are collinear points? Three or more points are said to be collinear if they all lie on the same line. Okay, three or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. Suppose this is the line and this point lie on this line, this point and this point also lie on this line, so these are collinear point. Okay, three or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line. Okay, now concurrent lines, three or more than three lines are said to be concurrent if there is a point which lies all of them. In other words, you can say if from by a single point there are so many lines passing, as you are seeing, by this point this line is passes, 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 so these are concurrent lines. Okay, and you should know plane, it is a flat surface which extend indefinitely in all directions. Okay, plane which extend indefinitely in all direction. प्लेन एक फ्लैट सरफेस है जो हर डायरेक्शन में उसको कितना भी बढ़ाया जा सकता है, उसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है. जैसे आपकी लाइन होती है, लाइन की कोई भी फिक्स लेंथ नहीं होती, वैसे ही प्लेन होता है. इट इज़ अ फ्लैट सरफेस विच एक्सटेंड्स indefinitely in all directions. And exercise I will start explaining in the next video. So thank you and have a good day for you.